Good morning, students. Today we are going to study a new chapter, that is arithmetic progression. Arithmetic progression. Now, what is the meaning of arithmetic progression? Now, consider the following. Consider the following lists of numbers. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6. Likewise, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Likewise, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Likewise, 100, 70, 40, 10. Likewise, -3, -2, -1, 0. 3, 3, 3. -1, 0. -1.5. -2, -2.5. This is -1.0. Okay. Oh, I should write it again. -1.0, -1.5, -2.0, -2.5, like this. Now, students, each of the number in the list, each of the number in the list is called a term. Okay. And now if we see the number, so if we add 1 to 1, it becomes 2. If we add 1 to 2, it becomes 3. If we add 1 to 3, it becomes 4. It becomes 5, likewise. Okay. That is, consider 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1 is as it is. Now if we add 1 plus 1, it becomes 2. If we add 2 plus 1, it becomes 3. If we add 3 plus 1, it becomes 4. If we add 4 plus 1, it becomes 5. If we add 5 plus 1, it becomes 6. Or we can say that the difference is 1, 1, 1, 1 and 1. So this is called as common difference. This is called as common difference and is denoted by D. Okay. Now such a list which is followed by certain pattern, that means the second term is obtained by adding a fixed term on it. Every second term is obtained by adding a fixed term on it, is called as arithmetic progression. Okay. So So what is arithmetic progression? An arithmetic progression is a list of numbers in which each term is obtained by adding a fixed number to the preceding term. Except the first term. Okay, this is a definition of an arithmetic progression. Now the fixed number is called the common difference. Of the AP. AP means arithmetic progression. Now D, that is common difference can be positive, negative, or 0. Okay, students. Now consider an AP 2, 4, 6, 7, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and likewise. So let's denote the first term as A. Okay, so A is equal to 2. And what is a common difference? Common difference can be obtained by subtracting the second term with the first term, by any second term with the first term. So common difference is 2, or this is D. So the second term is A plus D, and the third term is A plus 2D, and the fourth term is A plus 3D, and the fifth term is A plus 5D. So likewise, so the nth term is A plus n minus 1 into D. Okay, so this is, if this is first term A1, this is A2, this is A3, so it becomes An. Okay, so the nth term is A plus n minus 1 into D. So this thing you have to remember. The nth term of an AP is A plus n minus 1 into D. Now let's solve one example. Example, for the AP, 3 by 2, 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, minus 3 by 2, this, write the first term A and the common difference D. So students, solution, since the first term is A, first term is equal to A is equal to 3 by 2, and the common difference can be obtained by subtracting the second term by first term. So 1 by 2 minus 3 by 2. So this is minus 2 by 2 and this is equal to minus 1. So the common difference is minus 1. Okay students, I think this is clear to you.